In the fertile crescent of ancient Mesopotamia, in the city of Uruk, a king named Gilgamesh reigned. Known for his strength and wisdom, Gilgamesh was a formidable figure, 2/3 god and 1/3 man. Yet, he was plagued by an insatiable desire for immortality. Gilgamesh, in his restless pursuit of eternal life, faced countless trials, but none compared to the challenge posed by the wild man of the woods, Enkidu. A creature of raw power and untamed spirit, Enkidu was the perfect foil to Gilgamesh's civilized arrogance. The gods, moved by the people's pleas for a champion to tame the wild Enkidu, sent the priestess Shamhat to civilize him. For 6 days and 7 nights, she taught Enkidu the ways of humanity, and in doing so, forged a bond between them that would change the course of history. Enkidu, now civilized, ventured to Uruk and confronted Gilgamesh. Their battle was legendary, a clash of titans that shook the very foundations of the city. But in the end, Enkidu's raw strength and Gilgamesh's wisdom found common ground, and they became inseparable friends. Together, Gilgamesh and Enkidu embarked on great adventures, slaying monsters and vanquishing evil. Yet, their greatest challenge still lay ahead. A Humbaba, a fearsome guardian of the cedar forest, stood in their path. With courage and cunning, they defeated Humbaba, but at a great cost. Enkidu contracted a fatal illness, and his death left Gilgamesh devastated. Gilgamesh, consumed by grief, turned his attention to the gods, imploring them to grant him immortality. But the gods, unmoved by his pleas, revealed that such a gift was beyond their reach. Undeterred, Gilgamesh embarked on a journey to the bottom of the sea, seeking the plant of immortality. Guided by the sun god, Utu, Gilgamesh reached the bottom of the ocean and found the plant. But as he ascended, a serpent snatched it from his grasp, leaving Gilgamesh to return to Uruk, his dreams of immortality shattered. In the end, Gilgamesh learned a valuable lesson. Though he could not attain immortality, he found something even more precious: the wisdom to embrace the transience of life and cherish the memories of those he loved. The Epic of Gilgamesh, a tale of love, death, and immortality, became a cornerstone of Mesopotamian mythology, a testament to the enduring power of storytelling.